Good morning, everyone. I just decided that I will do a mask, a face mask, because I've been having a little breakout, and and also, to combat the sign of aging, because I think I am, starting to have dark circles and whatnot. So I want to do a turmeric mask. This is something I've done a long time ago, and it has, worked very well. So, I think this is a time I need to start taking care of myself again. And that's my daughter giving trouble.
No.
Yes. So I'll just show you quickly what I'll be using. I saw this on YouTube, so I'm doing a lot of I'll be substituting one or two of the ingredients because I don't have it right now. When I go to the supermarket, I'll get it. Okay? Yeah, she sucks her thumb, and I'm trying to get her to stop that. Okay, so let's hop on into the ingredients. Right, guys, so I will be mixing my ingredients. I have flour because I've been seeing YouTubers using, flour and turmeric. This is natural processed turmeric from where I am from, and the ingredients, as you can see, it is only turmeric alone. It is really good. And this is a staple, and it is produced locally right here in Grenada. And um, right. We also have some natural honey. I have a little bit left in the bottle. I need to get some more, but we'll be using honey and a little bit of water to make the mixture, okay? Don't put your hands here. Okay, so as you can see, my daughter is helping me and very thing. So right. So put it here so we can all see it. Okay, so I put about 2 teaspoons of so I put about 2 teaspoons of flour. Putting 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Stir that. My daughter is helping me. And I'm gonna put up a spoon, baby. Okay, and I'm gonna put just about a little bit of honey, about a teaspoon of honey. And I'm gonna add a little bit of water to that. Okay, she's putting a teaspoon of water. Okay, and we'll be mixing our mixture. Mix it.
Yummy.
Mix it. Okay, so let's put another tip of water. I will be doing another video on this.
Wait.
Okay, it's getting like dough.
Oh, God.
Okay, guys, so I've added a little more water so you can get to this consistency. And now I'll be going and put this on my face. Yes. Okay, guys, so here you go with the final look of the face mask being washed off. And basically, if you have bad acne scars, etc., you'll need to do this on a regular basis. And so far, I think it's looked nice. I can already see my skin looking really nice and glowing. And this is something I want to incorporate in my weekly regimen at least once or twice a week to, help keep my skin looking beautiful. Okay, so as I said, I will do another video where I will be using the chickpea flour instead of just ordinary flour, and just to make sure that everything's nice and healthy. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Like this video and also subscribe to my channel because I planned on having so much other videos that will just help women in general. Okay, bye.